What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of the Goodwill. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go. So I ordered a pallet of mixed media, guys. It was supposed to be here last Wednesday, got delayed to this Monday, which is now pushed until tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So that video will be coming out soon, but in the meantime, let's go to Goodwill. You know, thrifting's always fun. Hopefully we find some cool stuff today. And that cart's broken. All the carts are always broken at Goodwill's, and people throw their trash in them all the time. This one will have to do. Oh no, it's a squeaky one. All right, we found a decent cart. Let's check out the media. Oh, here we go. Poirot collection. It's a missing one, but some of these can be worth decent money by themselves, possibly. Let's see how much they want for it. $5, maybe. Probably not, though. What else do we have? American Dad, Volume 1. I always try to look for the box sets. Here we go. We have something sealed here. Get Shorty. Looks like a reseal, probably. All right, we found some cool things. I actually got a good amount of movies for Amazon. Some pretty high value ones here, especially this one. Surprisingly, very high value. And then one for myself, Lake Placid 2. Pretty cool. It just looks like fun. It's only $1 because it's half off, so figured why not. Look at this little Sony boombox, $8, and a Sony Dream Machine for $5. These have actually dropped quite a bit. I used to sell these Sony Dream Machines all the time. I don't know, $30 or so, and now they're going for sometimes under 20. So I'm probably gonna leave that behind, but we're gonna keep taking a look down here and see if we can find any cool electronics. I actually turned around and I saw this Risk Battlefield for $3. That's kind of cool. Are all the pieces in here? Who knows? But I'm gonna stick it in the cart. It might be worth something, it might not be, but I don't know. That just seems unique. I always try to look for these basic games like Monopolies or Risk or Trouble or anything like that that has a subcategory. So this is Battlefield. Sometimes you'll find ones based off of movies, TV shows, other video games, Scooby-Doo, right? Those ones always tend to be worth a bit more. So just something to keep an eye out for. So I just found this back here, this Disney Princess, and take a look. It's actually going for not too bad, about $20 or so. They want 4, I believe. Yeah, 4. So that's a pretty nice little come up. We'll throw that in the cart. The Risk Battlefield ended up being worth a little bit. I don't know. I'm gonna have to open it up and see the pieces in there because I have to spend $3 and it's only $7 after fees. So I would probably only end up making about $4 on it minus my shipping cost to Amazon. So probably just double up, just $3. So it's probably not worth it. The only way I'd get it would be for myself. So I'm probably gonna end up putting it back, but it's gonna sit in the cart for now. And here's another cool little tip. Not everything sealed is worth it, but always scan everything sealed because this is only $5. It's a brand new sealed board game. I looked it up and there's just no money to be made in it. The rank is horrible on Amazon. Nobody's really buying it. So that will stay up on the shelf even though it's a new game. Here we go, Seinfeld Seen It for $5. Let's take a look. It's brand new sealed. The rank in toys is pretty decent, selling for $37.88. You'll make $26 minus my $5 buy cost. You're looking at about $21 in profit. I will take that. All right, so this is interesting right here. We have a Panasonic DVD VCR combo priced at $12, which isn't bad. You guys can see it pulled up right here. Pretty decent rank. The reviews aren't great, but selling for $132. Now, 2 issues with it. First one, there's no remote. So I'd have to buy a remote off of eBay. Could cost, you know, $20 or so to get that. So now I'm in at about $32. Also, there's a little bit of discoloration. It doesn't really come up on the camera, but it's supposed to be silver. And over here is getting a little yellowed. Same thing over here, a little yellowed. I don't want to risk a return on something this big and heavy, plus I have to test it, so I'm actually going to leave it behind. If I had the remote, I'd probably grab it, but I'm leaving it. All right, we just pulled this conceptual bingo out from the rack, and you can see it's $3. We're going to look it up together. I don't know if there's any money in this, but it's brand new sealed, so I always try to scan everything that's brand new sealed. Priced at only $3, so we have a good chance using the Amazon seller app, and let's see what happens here. So it didn't show up. So sometimes that does happen. So what I like to do is actually take it, set it down, and let's take a picture of the front using the same app. We had to move it over here because it wasn't picking it up because of the glare, so let's try again. It might still not pick it up. Oh, there we go. We found it, but the rank is way too high, so we are leaving it behind. It means it's gonna take forever to sell, if it ever does. All right, taking a look at the VHS tapes. I found some pretty cool things, mostly for myself. Some VHS can be worth it to resell if it's sealed, of course. Like, we have a Pearl Harbor up here sealed, but that's pretty common. It's not gonna be worth much, but we do have some Chip 'n Dales, a little Chip 'n Dale collection, and I just think they're pretty cool. They might actually have some value if you lot them all up together. They're only 50 cents each because red is 50% off. So these are cool. These are gonna go in the cart because I like them, along with all this other cool stuff. And let's see what else. We have another Disney thing up here, Legends of Sleepy Hollow. You know, I actually grew up on Sleepy Hollow Road in Southbury. I don't live there anymore, but the back of this is all messed up. I'm gonna leave that. But that's kind of cool. It was a dead-end dirt road. It was very scary. What else do we have? Nothing. These are kind of cool. We have some Chronicles of Narnia, and there's a few different ones right here. Maybe a complete set might be worth it. These are things that I'd have to really look into. There's just so much to look through. Here we have a few sealed John Wayne right here. We have Dakota, Three Faces West, and The Fighting Kentuckian. Maybe a whole lot of these together, since they're all sealed, can be worth some money on eBay. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna do some research on some of this stuff, go through it all. We have a full Lethal Weapon collection right here. That's kind of cool. And see if we can find anything that's valuable for online. I'll come back if I find anything, guys. All right, so we went through all the VHS tapes. Not much, honestly. I mean, I found one right here, Kipper Let It Snow. It's jacked up. It says it's selling for 50. I think it's just because it's Christmas time, but it's only $1, so I figured I'd take the risk. And the same goes with this Scooby-Doo, actually, selling for 50 cents because red's half off today. I'm gonna make like $10 on it, which I was surprised about, so we'll grab that. Why not? Now taking a quick look at the books. There's some cool ones in here. We have like this right here, the Complete Peanuts collection. I think it's just a whole bunch of comic strips. Might be good. Let's see. It's $2. I'm gonna look this up. All right, so yeah, the Peanuts is pretty good. Take a look. Very good rank, selling for 18. So $6.50 I'll make. I mean, I'll take that. Why not, right? Easy money. Gonna keep looking around through the books a little bit, see if anything else pops out to me. So it was just sitting up there. I brought it down. We found a Cuisinart fully automatic frozen yogurt and ice cream and sorbet maker. It's brand new, $20. I looked it up. Nobody is selling it on Amazon right now, but I checked the price charting history on a website called camelcamel.com, and you could see what prices people had it listed at. And this actually sells pretty regularly in the $100 to $140 range on Amazon, so that's how I'm gonna list it. $20, definitely a good score there, especially since it's brand new and I don't have to do any testing or cleaning or anything like that. Alright guys, the cart is actually looking pretty good, better than I thought. We did find some good things here. Oh look, I just realized you can still see the wrapping paper on it, that somebody, this was a gift that they didn't want, obviously. So, you know, we got a lot of good things. This Battlefield game down here, I'm still debating on it. Do I want to get it for myself or not? I'll probably never end up playing it, so I think this is gonna go back on the shelf for somebody else that wants it. I mean, we got some pretty cool stuff though today, guys. Okay, I was just about to leave and then I find this rototiller. I think it's a rototiller. And I've been looking for one of these. It's only $5 for myself for the yard, to help me when I seed in the spring to get some better grass. I don't know if this is the tool that you use. I'm gonna spend $5 on it because I think it is. If I'm wrong, can somebody please let me know in the comments, because I'm not a very handy person. So we're just gambling with this. I think it's what I need. I don't want to damage any of my boxes in here. But yeah, okay, that should be good. I also knew I'd find one at Goodwill sooner or later. I have been holding off on buying one of these for years now. It's actually been years. And I finally got it because I didn't want to spend more than $10 for it. And I got it for $5, so I'm happy. Okay guys, sometimes I surprise myself. I forgot my wallet at the house. So we have to drive back home, go grab my wallet. Luckily, I don't live too far away. They suspended my order and I gotta go back to Goodwill. All right guys, we just got back to Goodwill, wallet in hand. Let's go pay for our stuff. Oh man, that stinks. That just wasted a good 10-15 minutes, but whatever, it is what it is. So I'm back, but they closed down his register where my order was saved. So I have to wait in a pretty long line now. I'm almost debating if I should just leave or not and call it quits. I'm gonna wait for a little bit, but I mean, a couple people have really full carts over there, so this is why you never forget your wallet, guys. I do it often, I feel. All right, guys, we secured the bag. I got it. That was kind of a pain, but hey, I'm still happy. Let's do a quick run through of everything that we got here. Some really good things. We got that rototiller from myself, that Cuisinart thing that I think I'm gonna list it for 100 to 150. We'll see what happens there, but I think it'll be good. This thing also, there was nobody selling it at the moment. So a lot of things are sold out on Amazon at the moment because of Christmas, right? So people are doing a lot of Christmas shopping, so things are selling out like crazy, which is good because you get to just make whatever price you want. I looked, this was only $1. The most recent one that sold was only $8, but before that, there was one that sold for $15. So I'm gonna price mine 15 to 20 and hope it sells. The Barbie doll, a few VHS tapes here, I mean 50 cents each. The Scooby-Doo and the Kipper are to resell. Those were actually $1 each, and then this one was 50 cents for myself. It's an animated Lord of the Rings. Didn't even know this came out, but for 50 cents, that's kind of cool. Might be worth something, I didn't look it up. We got all those DVD sets. I always look for complete, brand new sealed DVD box sets, of course. They do really well. This one's not sealed, but hey, another thing I always say, look out for BBC, right? BBC stuff, this, you can see the region code down here. That means it only works on UK or European players, DVD players, which is fine. That stuff still sells pretty well. And we got a few other movies and things like that, a few VHS, and then the Seinfeld. Seen it, so I think we did pretty good. I'm actually happy about this haul. The only thing that stunk was I forgot my wallet, but that's on me. That's not on the quality of items that were in there today. So definitely did good. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.